to be free. I was born to be free.
All right, guys, good morning. How y'all doing? What's poppin'? What is poppin'? What is Mary Poppins? How are my levels, guys? How are my levels? Who's in the chat right now? We gotta talk, man. We gotta talk. As always, we gotta talk. Man, this delay is real. I need to figure out how to get rid of this delay because this ain't groovy. I don't like it. Hold on, let me just like my own stream real quick. Guys. Oh man, you're so late. Let me see if I can get rid of this delay. Oh my days, are we ever delayed? All right, y'all are like 20 seconds behind me, so sorry, not feeling well. Good morning from SG. Good morning, bro. I hope you feel better, man. I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. Ethereum going to 31 hundo. We could talk about some Ethereum. For sure, we could talk about some Ethereum, which I am sure that we will. But before we do that real quick, y'all know how it is. Rendell, good morning. Rendell says, get them likes up first thing. I agree with you, Rendell. Nick reviews everything. Good morning, bro. Thank you for being here every morning with me. God, thank you for being here. Excuse me, every morning with me. Good morning. Jeff, Chaz Dream, good morning. Party boy, Loki, that's me. I have Loki though. Jeff, we on the treadmill. Mark, good day, sir. Universal Studio Group Inc. Okay. I DJ at a venue for that's owned by Universal, so maybe I work for you. I do that on the weekends. Piano A Philipem. Good morning, sir. You're streaming and not liking it. You're not feeling good either. I think a lot of people are have been sick lately. Why my BTC futures are higher than spot on Binance? Usually it's the opposite. Man, I don't know. There's mad inconsistencies, bro. That happens. It honestly happens quite often, to be honest with you. If I'm being completely honest with you. Okay. Guys, Kamar, good morning, sir. Listen, guys. How are my levels, first of all? Are my levels good? All right, hear me out. Hear me out. Too early to short. Too late to long. Way too late to long. Way too late. And a little bit too early to potentially short. Okay? We're going to talk about my levels here. We're going to talk about why I, earlier in the Discord, was saying bang, bang. Okay? By the way, the bang, bang I decided is going to start being part of my channel. So we're gonna start banging all over the place. Okay, it's just how it goes. And we got Ariana over here banging at us. Yup, y'all know. If you know, you know. Okay, if anybody has her management team's number or access to it, please send it to me. Okay, but look, bang bang, baby. What is the bang bang? Why am I saying bang bang? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Big fan all the way from Ethiopia. Damn. Well, I'm a big fan of you, sir, all the way from Toronto, Canada. So the pleasure is all mine, my friend. Perfect sound. Beautiful. Rendell is feeling great today. Ran a mile as soon as he got up. Hit some push-ups and some pull-ups and then started charting. All right. All right. Ready? Do some push-ups. Do some push-ups. Breathe air. I'm not even making fun. I'm a firm believer of everything that man teaches. Changed my life. True story. Guys, we're gonna talk about BTCZ, all right? And we're gonna be objective. Okay. Yesterday we were objective. The day before we had a little bit of a bias. We're gonna be objective today. All right. We're gonna be objective. We're gonna be talking about a few things. Why did I draw this bang bang a few hours ago, right? 2 hours ago, a couple hours ago, I said bang bang. Why did I draw the bang bang? I thought the bang bang would have happened already, if I'm being honest with you. It's okay. Yes, sir. I am from Toronto. You think it could go down? I think it will go down. Not could. I think it will go down. How do I manage to counter stress from trading charts and life or use to counter? I need advice. Wait, what do you mean? Okay, I'll tell you how to counter. I'll tell you how to counter stress from trading and like charts and stuff. Okay. The answer is one word: schlong. Okay, you go schlong. You short the top, you take profits. You long the bottom, you take profits. And then, really, whichever way it goes, you win. So it doesn't really matter, right? And that's kind of the key here. That's kind of the key. So that will, you know, like the thing is when you're stressing and stuff, it's usually FOMO, right? Like if you're taking a trade that you're stressed out about, then, if you're taking a trade that you're stressed out about, then you're not following the rules correctly, right? You're not being objective. You either didn't wait for your level, or you're over positioned, or your liquidation is too close, or whatever the case is, right? So oh, you're from Milton? I'm from Mississauga, actually. Yeah, I work in the Universal like in Vaughan. I do weddings and stuff on the weekends all the time. Anyway, so if you if you're like over positioned or you're not following the rules, you're not hitting your levels, you're not getting those sniper entries, you don't know where your invalidation is, whatever, that's when your stress comes in. But like then you start to feel the FOMO, right? But if you can manage to get good at entering and then hold your shorts, hold your longs, have price be in the middle of both, and you took profit on both, and that way either way price goes, you win. So you don't need to worry about FOMO or anything like that because you win either way, right? So that's how you take away the stress from trading. Like trading is not supposed to be stressful. Okay, imagine it like if you're trying to do this full time and you go to work and you're stressed out every day, like that's not a healthy job for you, right? Shouts out Universal Studio Group, by the way. Fun AF every time I'm in that building, I'll tell you that. So you know what I'm saying? Like you can't, man, don't treat it like that. Treat it like you're just coming to work. It doesn't need to be scary. Trading does not need to be scary. Just practice good risk management and try to go shalom. Now, how do you counter your stress in your real life? I'm gonna be honest. I've never really had stress in my life. My problem is I'm more laid back than I am stressed. So like I always think nothing's a big deal. You know, whatever. But the only true stress I've ever felt was prior to trading. I didn't really know what I was gonna do, and having a girlfriend, if I'm being completely honest with you. I don't want you guys to come at me. I don't want the girls that are like maybe one or two of you eventually down the line watching this on YouTube later that stumbled here. I don't want y'all to be like, wow, this asshole. But yeah, man. Like, I mean, those are the only two stresses I've had. Once I figured out what I was gonna do, and especially once I started YouTube, because like I love doing this, that stress was relieved, and then having a girlfriend, man. Like those are the only two stresses that I have. I don't stress from trading, man, because I practice good risk management always. All right. Isaac is in the chat. What's up, Isaac? How are you, sir? Boom. All right, so looks like BTCZ is getting a little down season. We're gonna talk about it a little bit more in detail in a second here. How much do we take off? 50% of the trade? I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you on where you think like what's your target, right? It's up to you. Like if you're scalping on the 5-minute time frame right here, you could take out 25% at these lows, you know, another 25% here, and then let the rest run if you want. There are many ways to do it. Many ways to do it. Good morning, Carl Carlson says hi, Geo dudes. What's up, bro? King D, good morning. Mr. Fies, good morning for real, bro. I broke up with my girl 2 days ago. Man, I'll tell you this, like, look, we wish nothing but the best for them. But bro, I'm relieved. You can say that again, daddy issues. Them Canadian girls. Yo, are you guys like, I'm talking to you, Universal Studios Group Inc. Are y'all like the official accounts for them? Like what's going on right now? To whom am I speaking to? Oh, Iggy is in the chat. Igor, good morning, brother. Carl, what's up, bro? Guys, okay, listen. It's looking like we're not going to get the bang bang right now. We want the bang bang. Bugra 2002. I apologize if I'm saying that incorrectly. What's up, my man? How you doing? All right, guys, we're going to talk about BTCZ. We're going to talk about DOGEZ. Doge. What if we wrote Doge like this? What if we added an O on the end of it? And then it's Dogeo. I like that better. One sec. Yeah, I think for sure it needs to be Dogeo like that. I think that's way better. You're speaking to the CEO of Universal Studio Group Inc. For real? What's up, man? You're speaking to the CEO of Trader Geo Inc. So bang bang, baby. Okay, listen, we're talking about the bang bang. I want to get the bang bang, bro. I want to get it. So look, early in the Discord, which by the way, if you're not in the Discord, the link's in the description down below. Oh, not affiliated with Universal Studio. What do you do? What do you do, bro? What kind of studio is it? All right. So earlier in the VIP, right? By the way, real quick. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you join the links in the description down below. Make sure you join the VIP section that you can join for absolutely free by DMing my bot, the 4-digit code. My bot up there. The 4-digit code that you're going to hear throughout this stream and every video that I post. Okay? I give y'all some heat, all right? I give y'all some heat. Yesterday, by the way, I've been telling y'all, doggy coin, doggy coin, doggy coin, doggy coin, doggy coin, doggy coin. Did I tell you? Doggy coin. Anyway, we're not here to talk about doggy coin. Look at this, by the way. We're here to talk about BTCZ and the whole crypto market as a whole. What's going on? What's going on? What can we expect? M. Bell, good morning, sir. Good morning. All right, listen. Listen. Enough banter, okay? Yesterday's stream, we talked about this zone up here. All right, we talked about this zone. We talked about how this is a 15-minute order block, okay? Let's come to the 15-minute time frame. You can see clearly we got a 15-minute order block. I actually think it's a larger order block as well. Let me check. No, we had to have a larger one. Oh, you know what? I actually just extended it. That's fine. Okay, so this is our 15-minute order block. Specifically this white box over here, which I'm hoping that we can make our way up to. Okay, that's why I am potentially expecting the bang bang. All right, look, let's be objective. Let's be super objective, man. Let's be objective. Okay, let's get rid of the bang bang. We know we're waiting for the bang bang. Which, by the way, do you guys, whoever is in the VIP Discord, this bang bang, I'm gonna make it part of the channel. If you like it, if you like the bang bang, drop me some ones in the chat. I want to see some ones. Some ones. Either send me a number 1 or send me a sombrero or a hat emoji. You know what? Screw the ones. Let's get some hat emojis in the chat. If you like the bang bang. All right. So let's be objective, okay? We're on the 1 hour time frame. Money flow is thick AF. All right, thick AF. It seems like nothing wants to stop Bitcoin. Okay, thick AF. We do have a daily order block up here. Okay, that ranges from 37.6 all the way up to 40. So can we go higher? We absolutely can go higher. Okay, we can 100%, no doubt about it. We can go higher, okay? Just on the 1 hour time frame, right? We also have, let's pull up our EMAs. Let's pull up the EMAs. By the way, I forgot to say, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. That's it. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. That's it. Okay, let's look at our EMAs, right? We also have a perfect cheat sheet entry. Okay, perfect cheat sheet entry. Picture perfect cheat sheet entry on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, what is a cheat sheet entry? Guys, I'm so glad that you asked, baby. So glad that you asked. What is this line? Oh, that's my range line. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's get rid of this line. All right. Okay, that's my range. Let's change that to range. That's my range. Okay, so we're in the range. Whatever, right? We have a picture-perfect cheat sheet entry. For those who don't know, what is a cheat sheet entry? Let's talk about it. Ready? Thick money flow. And over time, it's getting even thicker. So thick money flow, okay? We have hidden bullish divergences. What is a hidden bull div? It's when your oscillator, market cipher beep, affiliate link down below, 20% off, discount code trader Geo. It is when your momentum wave is making a lower low, but price is making a higher low. So let's recap. Red vector, or sorry. Thick money flow, check. Green dot below the zero line, and it's a hidden bull div, check. Red vectors above us that we can recover, check. That's 4. Price retracing into the 50 EMA, check. 5. The 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA, check. That's 6. We have all six for this cheat sheet entry, okay? This is the strongest cheat sheet entry possible. I think there's only 6 things to check for, if I'm being honest. So why am I calling for a bang bang then? Right? Why am I calling for a bang bang? Well, let's see. We know we can come higher. We know we have this order block. If we pull our Fibonacci, the order block also perfectly coincides with the golden pocket, which is what where we are retracing from currently. Okay, do we have more room for upside? We could get the bang bang, right? Let's jump down to lower term time frames now. Let's see why we can bang here. All right, we're gonna be objective, right? We just talked about the bullish stuff. All right, let's be objective. So 1 hour, we know we're bullish, right? Well, we were bullish from the bottom. Are we bullish here? We're going to talk about it. Now, 15-minute time frame. Objectively, okay? We technically have a bear div from this wave here, to this wave. Okay? This is a bear div, right? We have a lower wave, but price is significantly higher. You could argue that we have money flow divergence as well. Okay, for sure you could argue that. But because this money flow is on the rise, I would rather see a bang bang. Okay, so what does that mean? If we're skipping this these momentum waves, because these are not bear divs, right? Like from here to here is higher, and then from here to here is higher. So that's not a divergence. And money flow is like iffy with our divergence, right? We don't know if we're gonna get a divergence or not. What would I prefer to see long term? Let's see. Locally on the 15, we did actually get the momentum wave divergences, which is why we had somewhat of a rejection or reaction, I should say, off of this order block. Now, technically speaking, this order block has now been mitigated, okay? Which means we do not need to come back up here. Okay? Can we? Yes, because there's this larger zone in our order block, or the smaller zone, sorry, more refined, in our order block, right? That price can come to, which is what why I'm calling for the bang bang. Okay? Let's build a narrative, right? We don't have the divergences that we want to see clearly, right? I want clear divergence. I want clear direction when I'm trading. I don't want iffy. Okay? So what could happen now? 2 things could happen. Number 1, from here, well, 3 things could happen. Number 1, from here, we could go bang, right? We could get the bang bang, right? We have our bang bang. Right, we already have our first bang here, right? So this is bang, this is bang. And we take the gun out and we shoot him down, okay? So that's option A. Option B is, I mean, we just bang and blow through this, which we can. We can, right? I believe if we pass this line at 37.6, then we're gonna break the high. We're gonna take the high and we're gonna go higher, and then we'll see when we get there what's up, right? So option A is the bang bang. Option B is, because technically this was a divergence here, we could get somewhat of a reversal, right? And we have vectors below us, and what do we know, right? We know they got to recover the vectors. This is also an order block down here, right? We got an order block here. So let's make this white. Okay, we got an order block there, which means we could get something like this. Boom. And that would give us bang, 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 bang. That's what it would give us. So this is option B. And option A is the bang, bang. I guess, and then option C is we break up, and option D is we break down. One of the two. Which we'll see. You know, we'll see. All right. So we know the hour is favoring up. We know the 15 is potentially setting us up for a bang bang. Guys, I love that. I don't know. Maybe I'll get annoyed with it later. But as for now, I love it. Hoser, are you in here, bro? What kind of a mod are you? Where my mods at? I see 0 wrenches in the chat right now. I'm about to rip y'all one. By the way, I'm also short on ETH. Let me just say. Okay. So 1 hour is up. 15 is neutral. We're potentially expecting a bang bang. If we get the bang bang, the 1 hour will give us another red dot with momentum coming to the downside. After we also, by the way, I forgot to mention, if we do hit the bang bang, then 50% of this red vector candle, give or take, would have been recovered. So we don't need to come back up further than that, right? Right now, we haven't recovered this red vector. So up 50% at, at the order block, at the golden pocket 786 zone with the divs. There's your giga short, in my opinion. All right, there's your giga short. Now, let's come to the 5. What do we see on the 5? Okay. 5 right now, we're being held by the 50 EMA. Okay. 50 EMA. 50 EMA. Money's coming out. We did get the divergences with confirming trigger waves to the downside, but money's still thick. I would say the 5-minute is kind of neutral, right? Again, we can come back down to 36,570. How likely is it right now based on the 5? I don't know. I gotta go lower. We gotta go lower and we gotta see. Okay, so 3-minute. I mean, this range, I mean, it can go either way. 3-minute is also kind of neutral. Okay, 2-minute is where we're starting to get a little bit more clarity. Right? 2 minutes where we're starting to get a little bit more clarity. Why? The 2-minute time frame right now, as you can see, we have money coming out of market cipher, but we're just consolidating, right? So technically, as of now, and it can change, but as of right now, we have hidden bull divs when it comes to the money flow within this range, right? Money's coming down, price is not going down, right? Money flow here at this point is lower than it is here, yet price is higher. Okay, we also have the red vector candles right? We also have the red vector candles that we recovered, right? We had red vectors. We recovered them right away with a green vector, leaving the green vector behind. Recovered the green vector right away. And now we're fighting back above the 50 EMA. So that, to me, seems bullish, right? So it seems like we might get the bang bang here. And I hope we do, man. I hope we do. Right? 1 minute time frame. Still kind of neutral. We'll see, man. This is like kind of the make or break right now. But I want to see if we can get the bang bang here on stream. Because, you know, they don't like to give me anything on stream ever. Let's get rid of our EMAs. We don't need them anymore. Let's try pulling up our Bollinger Bands. See, anybody can be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind. Bang, bang into the room. You got a funny feeling about Pepe? Bang, bang number 2 seems like there's likely since there's a huge stop at 38. Oh, like way up here? Yeah, I don't know, man. We're too far away to talk about 38K in my opinion. We still have to get through this massive order block. And yesterday, we really struggled at this 2-minute order block. We had a 2-minute order block that we really struggled with yesterday, okay? Let's take a look. Actually, you know what? Before we take a look, guys, before we take a look, there's 49 of you in here, and I see only 34 likes. So either you guys are still eating your breakfast and licking your fingers, or y'all don't like me. And is it my glasses? Is it my cross? What is it that you don't like? I'm giving y'all free money here. Hit the like for me, please, and thank you. Por favor. For my Canadians. Not that I was any good at French ever. Okay, let's go back in time real quick, okay? Look at how hard Bitcoin struggled at this 2-minute order block. Okay? 2-minute order block. How many times did we reject? We'll call this one, we'll call it 1. We didn't even get up there. That's weak. All right, we'll call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We rejected 8 times from this 2-minute order block. Okay? 2 minute. We are now approaching a 15-minute order block. Okay? That is 7.5 times as strong. Okay? Look how thick money flow is, but we're only here. Okay? So yes, I know. The 1 hour is giving us the cheat sheet entry. 15-minute might give us the bang bang. Right? Wasn't that Spanish? Yeah, it was. It was. I didn't even notice it until right now. Until you just said it. Anyways, whatever, man. Look at how thick money flow is, and we're only here. Look at how we're way thicker with our money flow now than we were back when we were at this high. But we're only here. So we're getting hidden bear divs with money flow as well. Tu n'es pas un Canadien français? Nah, bro. All I know how to say is puis-je aller aux toilettes? And je ne comprends pas. And I know the Canadian anthem in French. Car ton bras sait porter l'épée, il sait porter la croix. Everything else? And je m'appelle Gio. That's it. Guys, listen, I have the #1 crypto music in all of crypto music. And we hitting those raves. We got to get Miss Teen Crypto up here to come rave with us. Come rave with the boys. All right. Let's see if we get our bang bang right now. Let's take a look. Looking like we might get it. All right. Okay, look. 2-minute money flow is coming down. If we get the divergence, baby, I got to get ready. I got to get ready now. No more games. We ain't got time for games. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Oh, won't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said don't hold it back. She said, shut up and dance with me, yeah. All right, boys. Juan's at the ready right now. Am I on IG? I am kind of. Like, I do have an IG, but I don't really use it. But DM me in the Discord and I'll give it to you. It's not really a public thing. But for my Milton boys, playlist is fire today. It's the same music every single time. Guys, let's see. Let's see. Listen, we got the money flow divs. We got the momentum flow divs. We got the green vector candles below us. Right? We got the green vectors below us. So let's see, man. Let's see. Bang! Bang! All right. Okay. Okay. Is this it? Let's come to the one. Is this it? Is this it? Is the question. Do we stop right here? Are we going to hit the bang bang? She said, shut up and dance with me. All right, BTCZ, let's see what you do. Let's see what you do right now. Let's extend our box here. Okay, so we have the divs, right? We have the divs, money flow divs. Look at the 3, man. That's dirty. That is dirty. How high do we go before we turn? I don't know. But we have the divs. We're getting the golden nugget right now on the one. Let's see if it plays out. 1 minute golden nugget's kind of iffy, but let's see. How high do we go? I'm kind of thinking we go a little bit higher, if I'm being honest. Because it seems like we're up here. We're staggering here. You know, we're kind of just chilling here right now. Let's see, though. All right, pink vector after getting green vectors indicating that volume is tick volume, sorry, is starting to decrease. Okay, tick volume is starting to decrease. Okay, now it's a red vector, so I take that back. Now we're probably gonna come up. Yeah, we're gonna come up because it turned into a red vector. What's the invalidation for the bang bang? Technically, it would be 37666. But again, we got the money flow divergences. We got the momentum wave divergences. We got the hidden bull divs with the money flow on the higher term time frames. We got we're primed. We got the divs ready, right? 10 minute can give us another massive divergence. 12 minute can give us a divergence. So this is not necessarily going to be the move that takes us down to, like, you know, 34K or whatever. It could be, I don't know. But, you know, is it guaranteed? Probably not. Probably not. What is Ethereum doing? Oh, Ethereum, we're fine. We're chilling on ETH. 3 and 4 hour look like they're starting to go up. Could stall though. Yeah, I mean, like, this is not, again, like, this is, I mean, it could give us a divergence, right? So we could come up and take the high and then have another divergence on the 3 and 4 hour for sure. For sure. This is like a scalp, you know. It's not necessarily I'm holding it down to 34K. Not necessarily what I'm coming at. Boom, baby. Well, check out that big wick down on sand. I will do so as soon as we get the hell out of my entry, and then I can take profit and move my stop loss to the end. I think I'm gonna actually move my stop loss my entry already. Because these moves, man, we know how Bitcoin can move. Bitcoin can turn up and take the high again if it wants to. Would we get the bear div on the 15? We would get another bear div on the 15. Look, the bear div, we have like, for a 15-minute bear div, we honestly could go like 2 hours before getting the bear div. Like, we could come up like a little bit more. What I'm trying to tell you is, like, the wave needs to go all the way up to this wave, right? It needs to come all the way up here for that to be, or like to still be considered a bull div, or bear div, sorry. So the 15 bear div is absolutely forming right now. Again, how much is it going to play out? We don't know. Are we going to turn here? Are we going to keep going higher? We don't know. Right? The 3-minute, again, it could go higher. We could. But the bear divs are here. The bear divs are present. We got money flow bear divs. We got momentum wave bear divs. And we're in a short zone. Okay? So the rule is you're not allowed to trade unless you're in the range. Now we're in the trading range. You're allowed to short here. Proper risk management, of course. Technically, I think your stop needs to be 3666 to be safe. Or sorry, 37666 to be safe. If you want to be a little bit more risky, I would say 37 like 590, right over this one. But I believe your stop loss needs to go above here. And hey, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. That's the game. Proper risk management. Proper risk management. I cannot stress that enough. Can't stress it enough. So right now we're kind of stalling up here a little bit too long for my liking. Makes me think that we might. Yeah, I know the stream is like super delayed. I'm sorry. I guess I like didn't change the latency. That's my bad. Today's my bad. But we're spending a little bit too long up here. I don't really like it. But again, we have the red dot. We got the green vectors that we can come down to. We got the money flow divs on the 1. We're in the short zone. We hit the bang bang. Right? We've been waiting for the bang bang all morning. I called for this 2.5 hours ago. Bang bang. Here we are. Banging away right now. So let's see how low we can go. And to be honest with you, if we come down a significant amount from here, which we may, guys, we may, we got to make sure we take profit mad early, because that's how we do. We go take profit, we go stop loss to the entry, and then we peace out in the 6. Then we hit the gym and have our stress-free day, as we were talking about earlier. So let's see. We'll talk about other coins in just a few minutes here, guys. I know the stream's delayed. I apologize. Okay, so 5-minute time frame, we're getting a red vector on the way down, meaning market makers are building long positions as they are closing their short positions on the way down, inducing retail to short now. Okay, so this 5-minute vector is not really what we want to see for our shorts right now. We don't want to see that. We want to see quick movement down, but we want to see a gray vector candle. We don't want to see a red or a gray candle, not a red vector. We don't want to see vectors. Right? 10-minute time frame. We got a pink vector going on over here. I mean, I wouldn't say it's anything significant on the 10. 15, we have the green vector that we can absolutely come down and recover, but we know that the 15-minute vectors, you know, sometimes will take time to recover. It's not necessarily going to be like a right away thing. So let's see. Money flow is increasing on the 2 right now. 1-minute time frame. So right now the 2-minute red vector is getting recovered. Okay, 2-minute red vector is getting recovered. We saw that coming. We said that it would happen. We said that it could potentially happen, not would happen. I said that it could potentially happen. So let's see what goes on here. Let's see what happens. Looks like we're kind of come for the high again. like we're gonna come for the high again. I told you guys it's too we're staggering too long up here. I don't like it. Not really what we want to see for the shorts. We want to see us get in and get out, right? We want to see us get in and get out. So perhaps we get another divergence here with the 1 minute time frame. Now maybe we just bang bang the bang bang, right? What if we go boom boom? Whoops, that was too high. What if we go boom 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 boom, right? We bang bang the bang bang. What if? I don't know if we do, but it's a possibility. We got to be aware of it. That's it. That's the game, right? That is the game. I hope not. We just recovered the 2 minute vector, right? We just recovered the 2 minute vector and we're on the way back down. So if we start to continue to move down, in my opinion, there's no reason to come back up because we just recovered the liquidity. Who is messaging me? Oh, it's all my alerts going off. My alerts are going bananas. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. We're lagging, man. I don't like it. We are staggering too much up here. I want to see a sharp move down. I want to see us get out of here now if it's going to happen. Come on, BTCZ. Let me see what you do, boy. Let us see what you do, man. It goes on and on and on. Yo, chat. I think y'all are a little bit too quiet right now for the heat I'm bringing y'all. Short now? No, bro. The short was up here. We don't short now. We shorted from up here. 12, 6, and 3 looking toppy. Let's take a look at the 12, 6, and 3. 12 looks like this was the div, man. Looks like it could have been the div. 10, same deal. I'm not going to pull up the 6. 9 minute looks like it still got some gas. I'm not going to lie. Right, not going to lie with the 9. 5 minute, I don't know, man. We had the red vector. We recovered it. We got a stopping volume candle. Pink vector candle indicating perhaps tick volume is starting to decrease, indicating perhaps we are starting to change direction. Still too early to tell. 3 minute divs are present, man. The 3 minute divs are still super present in the chart. And remember, we recovered the red vector, meaning, is there any way in my mind right now for them, is there any reason, not any way, is there any reason for them to come back up? They might do it, but the signs are here. Also, something to note is that Bitcoin's been ignoring all of the signs for quite some time now, okay? So that is important to note. Although right now there's no reason to come back up, they may not be done with this zone. Okay, there might be more orders up here that they want to attack. We need to be aware. 2 minute money flow is thick, and we might get a bang bang on the 2 minute, all right? Like I said earlier, we might get boom, boom, or however high it goes. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Right? We might get something like that. We're still up here. We're staggering here. Right? I don't like how we're staggering here. So let's see what Bitcoin decides to do. But this, guys, is how you can build your narrative in real time. This is how I trade in real time. This is how I give you guys the setups in real time. You're seeing it firsthand for absolutely free. So if you guys haven't already liked the stream, please make sure to like the stream. It helps my algorithm quite a bit. And when I get monetized again, which is by the end of the month, we will have a a lot of people in here for the bull market, and I can keep doing this for you guys for free. So it looks like we're gonna bang the bang, baby. Let's get it. Giant hourly red vector. You are correct. We do have a giantly red vector on the hourly candle. However, we need to be aware that we only need to really recover 50% of it, which is perfectly in line with our order block zone here. Right? Perfectly aligned with our order block. So let's see, man. Let's see what we do here. Let's come back to the one. We already know the narrative. We're definitely not longing here. That is for damn sure. How high do we go? We'll find out. And remember, guys, again, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Proper risk management. Crypto face is longing from 36,900. This is a scalp, man. This is a scalp. Boom, boom, I want you in my room. Oh, baby, I forgot. Hold on. Y'all know what time it is. All right, so it looks like we're gonna take it. Looks like we're coming for the high. Bitcoin is getting his pump on. You cry, tell me does he know it? VTCZ. Crypto face is longing from 36.9. Crypto face is crazy, bro. ETH is about to rip also. Bro, what is DTU again? I forgot. You gotta give me a legend to remember. I forgot already. Big liquidity 37.7. Yeah, I mean, we do have an order block up there as well. The thing is, guys, is this entire... I mean, this is an order block that's already been mitigated. We can come back and take the high again, right? We cannot say that that's not possible. It is absolutely possible to do that. And the way that market cipher B looks on the higher term time frames is it's actually probable to do that, right? We are taking a quick scalp here because we have the divergences, because we have the money flow, because we're in a short zone, because of the order blocks, because of how hard Bitcoin struggled on a 2-minute order block, let alone a 15-minute order block, right? Let alone up here, this is a daily order block, this blue one. So, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's a quick scalp right now. Money flow is increasing on the one. So, you know, this could be an indication that we're not going to actually reject here, but we'll see. Probably play the game. This is the game that we play. This is the game that we play. ETH, please. I'll come to ETH in a second. I gotta see what BTC is doing. If we had done this on TRV, we would be on mad profit. Yeah, Trib is kind of crazy. I don't even know if that's how you say it. 37.5 is half-hour vector. Yeah, man, we have there's liquidity above us for sure. Remember, on the 1-hour time frame, we have a picture-perfect cheat sheet entry. Picture perfect. These are just quick scalps. Show us your trade. Loki Lokesh, what's up, brother? Good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. I just finished watching Loki. I finished the season 2 today because it just came out. Episode 6, and man, that show is so good. That show makes me like have a little bit of hope left with Marvel, because as of now, Marvel ain't marveling. Marvel ain't marvelous lately. Marvel is the opposite of marvelous lately. All right, we got the 1 minute bear dip with the momentum waves. Money flow's on its way up though, and I don't see any golden nuggets. There you go. So it's peacing out. We'll see how high we go. How high do we go? You'll be freaking out that's not going your way. Why? Good risk management, bro. If you're freaking out, you ain't playing the game right. It's the same as your Discord. I hate how it's like 3 a.m. your time when the moves start. Yep, welcome to New York. But to be fair, I feel like Asia does all the moves. So I hate when Asia does that. I hate Asia because of that reason. I say it all the time. I say F Asia literally all the time. Literally all the time I say F Asia. By the way, guys, I have to say, full disclosure. Yes, I'm taking short scalps, right? But I am long. So I'm hedged, right? I am long. I am short, as I always am. I'm always long and short, so. Next boot camp when? Next boot camp will likely be next week. Either next week or the week after. Probably the week after. Maybe early the week after. Like, what's the calendar? Let's pull up the calendar. Probably like... Wait, what day is today? The 10th? Probably like the 20th or something. Which is like the Monday. Because then it gives me time to collect money and like get everybody that's interested involved. And so many times people are like, oh, Gio, like I didn't know. Now you know. Gives people time, so they can't say that. They can't say that. You missed so much with the Asian session? Yeah, man, me too. I hate it. But I'm up all night anyway. So. Took the high 1 minute bear dip printing. Money flow still coming up. Don't know how I feel about it. It's neutral, man. It's not even neutral. It's actually more bullish than bearish. Money flow is king, right? We know money flow is king. We know money flow is king, but we're getting the divs on the 2 as well. 2 minutes giving us the div. We still got the money flow divergences on the 3, right? So we definitely could get somewhat of a decent pullback here. It is possible. It is absolutely possible. Your stop loss is 38223. That is so far away, bro. But hey, if you're swing trading like that, then I hope it doesn't hit it for you. Yeah, money flow is starting to get thick on the 1, so it makes me think that we're gonna come up a little bit higher here. Remember, we're in a short zone, so is the short zone gonna hold every time? Absolutely not. Is Bitcoin going to continue ignoring every single div in the book? Possibly. Right, very possible. Very possible. Bitcoin has been the king of ignoring divergences lately. Look at this. Money flow is still getting thick here on the 1. This is insane. But the 2 minute money flow is stronger than the 1 minute money flow, and the 3 is even stronger than that. And we do have the divergences. We do got the golden nugget going on the 3 right now. So whenever the 1 decides to chill out here, whenever it happens, we should get a decent pullback. Just take your pullbacks and quit looking for it to dump. Bro, I'm scalping. I'm scalping from here to down here. It's quick. Oh, you stopped trying to swing short. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about the swing shorts. I do think a swing short is on the way, but I don't know, man. Eventually, guys, this move is gonna stop. Like, we've been literally up only for like 2 months, 3 months. Like, eventually things are gonna have to turn. There's no other way about it, you know? It can't do this forever. Set up for 37.8, then huge drop. We'll see. We'll talk about 37.8 if we break this order block, which looking like we're going to right now. Can't lie to you guys. Can't lie to you. Cannot lie to you. Looking like it doesn't want to stop. Someone just talking about stop at 38K. Hope you get out way before then. Oh yeah, man. I'm getting out like... I'm scalping, bro. If price goes against me to a certain point, I'm out. I don't got hopium. I'm not holding on to trades. Like, I have no problem cutting losses. No problem at all. All right, 1 minute is giving us the divergence. We still got the golden nugget going on. Money flow is still thick, however. All right, money flow is still thick. The 2 minute is starting to give us the divs as well. We got the red vector right now. Retail is shorting. Okay, retail is shorting in this candle right now. So we can expect to continue the move to the upside. 3 minute time frame does not have any vectors. Interesting. 5 minute time frame, guys, the divergences are forming, right? This blue vector is tick volume starting to decrease, actually. So perhaps this could be that could have been the high. I don't know. Money flow on the 10 is up, right? Money flow on the 12, like, the divergences are for sure forming. Whether or not Bitcoin wants to respect the divergences, I do not know. Okay, Bitcoin has not been respecting divergences for a very long time now, and Bitcoin has absolutely made me look like a fool, guys. But that's okay. We live to play another day. All right, let's see. For us to get a significant move, we need to start breaking bearish market structure, which I'm not seeing right now. Yeah, money flow is still super thick as well, so, you know, just a couple of things to keep note of. Just a couple things to keep note of. Let's see what happens here. Close 37.5 there on MEXC. Wait, guys, 1 sec. Okay, sorry guys, I had to do some treadmill maintenance there. Let's see if this is better. I gotta get a mat for under my treadmill. My treadmill's like rubbing on the carpet and it gets so hot. No, I didn't fall. I didn't fall. All right, man. Looks like we're getting a rejection from here, so we'll see. We're not out of the woods yet. I would like to see us take this low. I would like to see us come down to 37,258 for me to be confident with my short here. Did he fall? Guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, please make sure you like. And if you are trading alongside with me, just know, of course, that this is not financial advice. Not that you could come after me even if you wanted to. But if you're looking for an exchange to trade on, MEXC, baby. MEXC is the cheapest on fees. 0.01% taker fee, maker fee, taker fee. 0.00% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it is basically for free. And speaking of free, it is a free way for you to help support me and help support the channel, which will allow me to continue making videos and streams every day like this for you all. So I appreciate it. The link is in the description down below. And I believe I pinned... No, I didn't pin it. Let me pin it. And it's in the pinned comment, or pinned message. So I would appreciate everybody. Well, I appreciate everybody anyway. But I appreciate all who decide to support me. A free way to do so. So thank you. All right. We're getting the rejection, baby. We're getting the rejection. We're getting the rejection. We're getting the rejection. I told you so. Now, how low do we go? I don't know. Right? Ain't nobody know how low we go. But we are, nonetheless, getting the rejection. For now. All right, for now. This could just be a higher high, right? We got, higher low, I mean. Right, we broke structure here. Right, we broke 1 minute structure here. Up, down, up. For me to be confident with the short, we got to break that low, right? We got to come down to this low here. We got to come take this for me to be confident with it. Are we going to do that? I have no idea. Did I say the code yet? No, I did not. 7348. That's your code. Ladies and gents, that is your code. 7348. All right, so BTCZ. BTCZ. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Doesn't look like a rejection. I mean, remember, I'm on the 1 minute. I'm scalping on the 1. So, coming from 493 down 0.5% is enough for me to TP and put my stop loss at the entry. Right? But you're not wrong. Now we got hidden bull divs, right? We still got the thick money flow. Again, I'm scalping. I want to be very clear. And you guys are like a minute behind me on the stream. So don't, if I say, oh, yep, looks like we got the hidden bull divs at 37,417, and then you guys long it in a minute when it's like at 500. No, like I'm scalping. Invalid code. Code is not ready yet. I will tell you when it is time. You will get the notification in the Discord, but now is not the time. Now is definitely not the time. Guys, we're gonna look at alts in a few minutes here. Specifically my doggy coin. Check the 15. Let's check the 15. Man, we have the bear divs, guys. We got the bear divs, right? We have the bear divs. We have here pink vector candle, right? Potentially going to be a stopping volume candle if we come up higher and sweep some more liquidity. But we got a pink vector candle indicating volume could potentially tick volume. Could potentially be decreasing. I also want to make one thing. I want to bring one thing to your attention, guys, as well. Right? We had a massive volume in this move up, and then volume kind of just died down. So yes, volume is still spiking. But if we take the high again, which we can, right? We can. If we take the high again, we will also be diverging with our regular volume. Right? So also something to take note of. Are we going to come higher? Probably. You know, long term. Are we going to come higher right this second? I don't know, man. We have the money flow divergences. We have the vector candles. We got the golden nuggets. right? Super conflicting right now in this zone. Very conflicting. 1 minute money flow is still super thick. So I'll give you a best case scenario now, okay? I'm gonna tell you the best case scenario. Best case scenario is we print the red dot here. We come down a little bit, right? Money flow comes down, starts to come down, right? Then we have something like this, something like this, something like this, right? We get another pump out of seemingly nowhere. We take the high again with the divergences on the 1, with the divergences on the 2, with the divergences on the 3. 3 minute divs are already there, right? But the divs ain't divving. Okay, divs ain't divving, but the 3 minute divs are already there. And so, you know, all right, Solana is getting its pump on. See, Solana as well, also primed, right? We have the divs with money flow. If Sol takes the high here and hits this order block, which we had inducement on prior to, this could be a Solana short as well. So we'll see what everything is doing at the same time here. Let me check chat real quick. Bitcoin not respecting the divs lately? Yeah, man, it's annoying. Code is wrong. Guys, it's too soon for the code. I'll tell you when. I gotta purge you still. I gotta remove everybody from VIP. It happens after the stream, not now. Garav, what's up, brother? How are you? Mark says check the 5. Let's check the 5. Yeah, man. Divs on divs on divs on divs, right? But Bitcoin's been divving on divving on divving on divving. So is it gonna respect it? I don't know, man. Perhaps this order block is good confluence with Solana's daily order block, which we're coming up to right now. Our alerts are about to go off on Sol. What is Ethereum very quickly doing? Yeah, ETH I don't really know. I haven't been watching ETH lately. And I don't have time to go through it right now. XRP is nuts. Man, XRP is so hard to trade. It's not even funny. Like, XRP is ridiculous. Super hard to trade, man. Super, super hard to trade. I remember your life, baby. All right, let's see if we take the high again. Money flow is getting thicker. I do think we got some more juice to the upside. Let's check Sol. I want to check Sol. Are we coming up? Sol is on its way up, man. Sol's about to SFB. If we SFB into this order block here and we see nice market structure change or continued divergences, let's check the 2, 2. 3 is giving us the div, baby. If we come up and we push up quick, Sol could be a nice short as well. Scalp short, that is. We got to talk about the doggy coin as well. Doggy's making its way up. Doggy looking pretty good. I think Doggy's at least going to come up and take this liquidity. We got a lot of liquidity here. Doggy's going to come up, probably wipe these highs as well. I honestly think Doggy's going to make its way up higher. I honestly think it's going to make its way up higher. But it kind of depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to plummet all of a sudden, then the alts will tank with it. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a rejection here. Let's check Sol. Let's check Sol. Sol's about to tap into it. Anyone on gas? Yo, gas is crazy. I saw a notification. Yo, Luna, what the heck? What has Luna been up to? Yo, that's insane. Luna's pretty crazy. I want to see this on Doge, man. I want to see a big candle like that on Doge. All right, BTCZ, we are rejecting. But money flow is still thick, so I think we can come up for the high again. Let's check Sol. We got to keep our eye on Sol. Sol's we're almost time to dance, baby. Sol's about to take the high, right? Sol's about to take its yearly high. And we're coming into this, large range of supply, but nonetheless, it is supply. This is resistance up here. 15-minute BTC wants a bear div. Yep. And we're watching for it, man. We're watching for it. I do think we're gonna get it. I do think that we're going to get it. In my opinion, Bitcoin is well overdue. Well overdue for a retracement. A nice retracement. A nice 10%, 20% retracement. But the market doesn't always do what you want. Let's see. This could be, remember guys, I want to say this, right? Locally, we did put in a lower low for the first time in 2 weeks. So, on the basis of market structure, and this is not a high time frame market structure, guys, so don't come at me, okay, if it doesn't play out. But let's say 10-minute market structure. No, let's even lower than that. 5-minute market structure, okay? Very low, very locally. We had up, down, break a structure, right? So price is allowed to come all the way back up to here. So perhaps this could be a lower high to send now price down lower. We know Bitcoin, I gotta be honest, guys, Bitcoin is overextended. We've been saying it. I don't want you guys to come at me and say, oh, geo this, geo that. I'm telling you a fact. Bitcoin is overextended. Whether or not you think it's a bull market, whether or not you think we're going to 40K or the moon or whatever, right? Bitcoin is overextended, period. You can't argue that. Well, you can, but you'll sound foolish if you do. So, could this potentially be a larger swing trade? Am I crazy to say potentially 34K is finally in the cards? I'm going to answer my own question and say hell no. I'm going to say you're crazy if you think that it's not. It is so overdue, guys. So overdue. So maybe this is the lower high. Right? We broke structure for the first time in 2 weeks. So maybe this is the lower high. Only to now rip price to the downside. Wreck everybody. And then people won't be so malicious towards me. All right, gas. Yeah, gas is pretty crazy. Mystic Ruin says very much overdue. The chickens will come home to roost eventually, whatever that means. Yes, sir. Y'all know what that's from, Wolf of Wall Street. Which, by the way, greatest show of all time. Guys, I'm gonna go out and say this right now, okay? We know the divs ain't diving, but when the divs div, the divs are gonna div hard. I do believe this could be a lower high to send price down to potentially much, much lower. Much, much lower, okay? Y'all think I'm crazy. The market is on crack right now. Much, 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 much lower. Potentially. Scare everyone away before the approval. I don't know when the approval is going to happen. But listen, my eye is not on 35K. It's on 34K. Why? On the higher term time frames, and we've talked about this many times. I've said it on my channel many, many times. On the higher term time frames, we haven't taken any liquidity. We're still in this range, right? We still have a large range. We haven't taken any liquidity. The first point of liquidity, I guess 35K you are, right? But 34K, he like has all of this. So what we're probably going to do, if this is a lower high, this is what we're probably going to do, okay? We're probably going to come down, come down, sweep this low. This is what I would guess. Come down, sweep this low, come up, get a lower low, come down, sweep all these lows, and do something like that. And then potentially even come down and fill these, right? This is more long-term. This is more swing trading. We cannot be oblivious to the fact that we're overextended. I'm not saying it's going to happen. but we need to plan out all the scenarios. All right, Solana. Solana, did we tap it? Solana has still not tapped it. We're too soon. No shorts yet. And did we tap it? Boom. Now you are allowed to short Solana if you so choose. Does it mean short right now? No. But now you're allowed to, because now we're in a short zone. Before, we were not in a short zone. 69 likes. Yes, guys, that's a good reminder. If you like the stream, if you like the fire that I'm bringing you guys every day, please make sure to actually hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can get my timely updates. And make sure you join the Discord, because I update you guys like basically all the time in the Discord. Not basically all the time. Okay, so Solana's giving us the divs as well, man. This could be a nice swing short for Solana. The question is, how high does it go? And the answer, honestly, in my opinion, will depend on what Bitcoin decides to do. So we're going to keep our eye on both. But Solana might be nice and primed for a short here. Yesterday, guys, in the VIP Discord, I gave you guys a free Solana trade. I don't really do that. I don't really give you guys call-outs like that, but it was a free trade, and whoever took it made money. So congrats if you took it. Big congrats to you guys. Yeah, this could be a soul short here. It definitely could. Remember, we got the divergences on the 3. We got the divs on the 5. We got the divs on the 15. We got divs kind of across the board here. And we're in a short zone with these divs. So, you know, could be a nice swing short. $54 is possible, of course. Look how big the zone is. 54.60, right? Excuse me. Absolutely it is possible. Absolutely it is. Discord code. What is the Discord code? That's a good question. I don't remember. I tell you guys and then I don't remember. 7348. Okay. 7348 is your discount code. I'm gonna put it here so I remember. 7348. That is your Discord code. Guys, yesterday this was the Solana short I gave in advance. Not in advance, but I told you that I took it. This one right here. Easy work. Super, super easy work. All right, BTC is making a run for the high again. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we can get it this time. Guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go use the bathroom. Wait, what did I ruin? Oh, I just ruined it by saying it out loud. Oh, the 54. Yeah. Well, I hope it doesn't happen. Like, I hope it just goes down now. That's better. I would rather the divergences actually start doing something, because it's been 3 weeks of no divergences playing out literally ever. So I would rather we start to actually respect what we see on the charts. Then it's not a complete gamble. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. I'm just gonna use the washroom. If I bring you heat and you like the heat, let me see some fire emojis in the chat. Make sure you hit the poll. Make sure you hit the sub button and all the other things. But let's see some fire emojis. I want to come back. I want to come back to 100 fire emojis. So 10 of you could send 10, or 100 of you could send 1. I want to see 100 fire emojis in 2 minutes when I get back. BRB. All right. All right, Jinx. Okay, let's see what we got. How many do we got? Is that 100? I don't know, man. I don't think that's 100. And I cheated. I gave myself like 20 while I was peeing. So it does look like it's forming a Bart Simpson. I hope so, man. We're way overextended, in my opinion. Fire because it burns when he pees. That's funny. That is super funny, lad. Do you know what I mean, lad? All right, we got a Black Santa in the chat. What's up, Black Santa? Broccoli, yo, broccoli's fire. Fruits and vegetables are my favorite food, I swear to God. Any meal on the planet, I actually prefer the salad. The salad is the best part of every meal. All right, guys, Bitcoin looks like it's going to make a run for the high again. All right, I got to be honest. It does look like it's going to make a run for the high again. So let's see if BTC will do as I say and make a run for the high again. Let's see what we see. Sol is about to close the hourly with a bear div. Bear div on the 8-minute. Yeah, bro, listen. Hold on. Let's go to Sol real quick and check the hourly. Guys, every single time frame is bearish. Okay? It's been. I mean, no, that's a lie. Not is bearish, but every single time frame is printing bear divs. I have learned the very hard way that bear divs right now ain't doing it. Right? They're not listening. They're not. Bitcoin is saying, you know, F your bear divs. We're going up only. We're giving retail all the money for free. Let's check Solana. Solana is getting a little bit of a rejection here. We do have the bear divs on the momentum waves while we came up into our supply zone. So guys, look, when we shorted Bitcoin earlier, this is what I want to see. You know, I want to touch the zone and get the hell out of there. But Bitcoin didn't do that, so we'll see. Solana might come up and take the high again. It honestly depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it's definitely going to come up and take the high again. The high meaning 47.5. It looks like it's definitely going to. So, you know, Solana will likely follow. But let's see, man. Let's see. 37.6K at least. I don't know if 37.6K at least. Look, this is what I'll do. I'm going to show you guys this, but it's not out yet. Hold on. I'll show you guys in a second, actually. Yeah, man, I'm telling you guys, this could be a swing short. I'm telling you right now, this could be a swing short. Money flow is still thick. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. I want to come up and take the high one more time, to be honest with you. That is my preference. Whether or not we see it is a different story, but I definitely prefer to. On a bear div or even bull div, how do I determine how long to hold the trade? There's a lot of things, man. A lot of things that go into that. A lot of things. You got to look at confluence. You got to look at your other levels. If you're at a zone where you're looking to long and you're in a short, then take profit. You could take profit at value areas. You could take profit at SFPs. All right, so there's a lot of things that you can do. A lot of ways that you could do it. But at the end of the day, man, it doesn't really matter. If you're in profit, you're in profit. How to save a life. Man, we've already been streaming for an hour and a half. That's what I'm saying. This is crazy. Yo, when I'm walking, I don't even notice. I don't notice that I'm working, and I don't notice that I'm walking. But this treadmill is absolutely a game changer. I just got to get a mat for it because it's rubbing on the carpets, man. It's getting hot. How to save a life. Where did I go wrong? So my general rule for taking profits is if I'm long and then I would short there, I take profit. Simple as that. How to save a life. Guys, this could be a swing short. I'm telling you from now. 37.4. We nailed it. If we go down, this could be a swing short. Could be. We don't have to come higher. We do not need to come higher from here. No, we do not. We can. We don't need to. We're getting the dibs. We're in resistance. We're in the golden pocket. Which, by the way, guys, let me show you real quick something. Show you a little something real quick. Let us show you a little bit something real quick now. All right, back to BTC. Back to BTC. Let's see, man. Let's see. Bitcoin giving us the dibs on dibs on dibs on dibs. Is it gonna finally retrace? Is it time? Is it finally time? Are we gonna finally respect TA? I gotta say, man, this is taking so long. I do gotta say that. The longer we stay here, man, the more I'm like, yo, I think we're gonna come up again. The more I think we are going to potentially make our way up. What accent was that? I have absolutely no idea. Thank you for not asking. Looking back again. So for us to have a clear conviction right now, to be honest with you, we got to either take this high or we got to take this low. Everything else is peanuts. Everything else is internal. And obviously that's 1 minute structure. Excuse me, 1 minute structure. Like, you were expecting a wick. We might still get the wick, bro. We might still get it. You started leaving a little open after taking profits and gotten better returns. Yeah, man. I actually never close a trade ever. I never close a trade fully, ever. Literally ever. I don't do it. Draw a range and pull a volume profile. We can. All right, that's where we're at right now. That's where we're at. First red candle to close under the 50 EMA, then boom. Let's get our EMAs up. See what the EMAs are doing. You know what? Let me actually come here. Let's see other things. Wow, VWAP is way downstairs. So we're also at our why am I stuttering? At our high average daily range, right? Also good confluence. Do we got any point of controls up here? No point of controls up here. Interesting. Let's go through this night together. I want to see us SFP the high. If we SFP this high, short city, baby. Short city. I would love to see that. This red dot doesn't look like it's going to play out right now. I just feel it in my bones. Okay. Man, Vector recovered. I don't know, man. I don't know. This, I'm telling you guys, this could be a swing trade. Could be a swing trade. You cannot deny the swing trade. Do not deny the swing. Can't deny the swing. Can't deny the swing. Right at the very start. Hands on each other. Couldn't stand to be far apart. Closer to better. When we pick and fight. Slamming doors. Magnify. Don't know what for. What is this volume profile called? It's called fixed range volume profile. If you come over here to the left and you come to this third tab, which is projection, where you're long and whatever else is, it's this one here, fixed range volume profile. How much percent do I leave open? I usually take out 25 to 50% kind of quick, and then I like, you know, I'll have my take profits set. Depends, man. Depends. Like, this is potentially a swing trade, right? This is potentially a swing trade. And that, well, look at that. That one minute red dot did not play out exactly as predicted. I want to see us take the high again. Yo, guys, listen to M Bell and smash those likes for Mr. Top Geo. Thank you, sir. I appreciate the support. You're doing more than my mods that ain't even in the chat. All right, we're getting 1 minute bear divs now, so maybe this is it, guys. Maybe this is it. I still would like to come up and take the high one more time. This doesn't look like a nice high to me. But then again, we did just SFP this high here, so who knows, man. Let's jump time frames real quick. Yeah, man, 3 minute looks like it might have some gas. I want to see us take the high. I want to see us take the high. 9 minute money flow is still super thick. 10 is still thick, but it's giving us the divs. I do think we can come up and take the high. I hope. We're getting a pink vector now to the downside. We got to move some of this stuff. It's so white. Let's get rid of some stuff here. Let's get rid of some stuff. Okay, we don't need this box anymore. Let's get rid of that. There we go. That's much cleaner. That is much cleaner. All right, man. Divs on divs on divs on divs. Let's see if the divs on divs on divs are playing out for once. Are they gonna play out? I don't know. I just work here. Okay. I just work here. I'm gonna pull up this indicator real quick. Not this one. You guys don't know this, okay? You didn't see this. I'm working with IX Indexa to, this is my order block indicator. That's based on my rules, okay? And I'm working on it right now with him for you guys. So more info on that when I got more info. I'm not the one coding. I don't know how to code. Party starts after Geo stream. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put a time and call for the hit. My gamble at 420. Weekend. Yes, sir. We keep bouncing from the 200 EMA. Not for long, my friend. Not for long. Remember, guys, we're gonna watch market structure. We're gonna monitor, right? And full disclosure, I am already short. Okay, from here, you guys, I shorted my. I think I'm short from like up here, like 461 or something. And that was on stream. Okay. So if you missed that part, go back. But that was on stream. And so, how do you determine if something is going to turn to be a swing trade? Well, we already identified that we put in our first lower low for the first time in 2 months. Or 2 weeks, right? 3 weeks, almost. We put in our first lower low. What does that mean? That means now that we can expect a higher low. Where is the best place for the higher low to take place? It is in the golden pocket, 618. And it happens to be good confluence with our order block. Right, we got an order block here. So I know, guys, I know market cipher looks bullish. Number one, we're getting a golden nugget. Number one, okay? So respectfully, I know crypto face is long right now. Hey, man, maybe it plays out, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, but I'm telling y'all, the golden nugget is real. Okay? Golden nugget is real. And so, if this is the lower high that we put in, and we make a lower low, there's so much freaking liquidity below us, it's not even funny. So, we watch market structure, right? Once we start to take, like this is, low, high, low. So this is a 15-minute, probably 15-minute. Kind of. Like, once we start to lose this low again, let's put an alert here. Once we start to lose this massive wick at 35.6, which I know is like $2,000 away. But market structure is very heavily on our side for our swing shorts. Like, for this to be a swing short. And realistically, if we are going to lose that level, we can target the low of the range, guys. We can target 33K. Okay? So this is absolutely potentially a swing short right now. We have the divs. The divs haven't been divving, but we have the divs. Okay? And down we go. And down we go. Let's see. We're just playing this range right now. We're just playing this range. We're in a little bit of a range, little baby range. Getting a little move here off of the value. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Watch. Red vector down, immediately recovered by a green vector candle. Where are my EMAs? Let's check the EMAs. Red vector down, immediately recovered by a green vector while money flow is coming out. And we're coming back into the 50 EMA. Okay, coming into the 50. Green vector candle. What is a green vector candle? It is inducing retail to long, right? So if retail is longing in this 1 minute candle, because we're bouncing off the value area high, cool. Retail is longing, sure. Fine. Retail's longing, great. The clue is money's coming out, yet we're getting this seemingly out of nowhere pump, right? Because if money's coming out, why are we pumping on the 1 minute time frame as we just saw right now? We're likely to come back for that, right? We're probably going to come up, tap this order block, mitigate this order block, reject off the value area high, and then come back down. That's my guess. Let's see. Let's see. Or we come up and we take the high. One of the two. The rejection either happens now or we come up and take the high. We keep bouncing from the 200 EMA, yeah. On which time frame? Hopefully we keep dropping. I agree, man. I think we're overextended. I think it's time. All right. This is close enough, guys. This is close enough. So I will call this a mitigated order block now. If we lose this low, that's it, bro. We're going down. If we lose that, we are going down, in my opinion. Okay, so now we are mitigating the order block that we just left, right? We either bounce right now or we go down. I mean, obviously, but why, right? You could say, yeah, price is either gonna go up or down. Cool. Why? I just explained it to you live in real time, and this is how I trade. And by the way, guys, when I'm not on stream, I'm talking out loud like I'm talking out loud to myself now. I do the same thing. Look for every reason why the trade can go against you, not why it can go in your favor. Making money is easy. Keeping the money is what's hard. Where do I see the order blocks? So I have my own specific rules with order blocks. And I am... this is an indicator that I've, like... I can't say I've been working on it because I'm not a coder. Right? I am not a coder. But I have somebody that I'm partnering with to basically take all of my rules and make indicators for them. So this is an indicator that is based off of my rules. And it's not available right now, but it will be. And when it is, I will let you guys know. Once low breaks, let's jam. Bro, once the low breaks, we're having a party. Because again, this could be, it's still early to tell, but this could be a swing trade. And the best trades are the swing trades, baby. Best trades are the swing trades. But until then, we just play the range, man. We just play the range. We just play the range. We're breaking below the 50 EMA on the one now, right? It's going to take some time to turn. Remember what I drew for you guys yesterday, right? Price is an oscillator. And just like a roller coaster, sometimes they hang you off the edge like that. Perhaps this is you in your little roller coaster truck thing. Not truck thing, but that's you with your hands in the air. Oh god, that is such a bad drawing. Hold on, let me try that again. And here's you. Let's see if I can draw you. Okay, this is your little like cart thingy that you're sitting in, right, with the wheels. And this is you with your arms in the air like you just don't care. And we're about to go down, baby. Woo! That's you, okay? That is literally you. When you're sending out Christmas cards this year, that's your Christmas card. Listen, if this ends up being a swing trade, we're gonna come back to this. And I'm gonna say Merry Christmas to you all. And you're all going to say Merry Christmas back to me. Even if you're not Catholic, you're gonna say it back to me. Okay. All right. We are starting to develop order blocks above us. This is good news for our shorts. Very good news for our shorts. speaking of shorts, I gotta pull my shorts down and go take a pee again. Because how long we've been on stream? 1 hour 52. Guys, listen. Is there a roller coaster emoji? Let's see. I don't think there is. Is there a roller coaster emoji? I actually genuinely don't know. Hold on. Let's see. Am I Catholic? Yes, I am. Christ is King. Never forget it. Ah, roller coaster. Okay. This is what we're gonna do, guys, now. Okay? You see that emoji? I'm gonna go pee. Last time I asked for 100 fire flames, and I only got not 100. Okay? I only got not 100. I don't know how many I got, but it wasn't 100. So, now I'm going to ask you to please, let's see if we can dump this boy. I mean, I don't know if the dump's gonna happen right now, right? But let's get some roller coaster emojis in the chat. I want 100 of them. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. I'll be back. I want 100. So if you don't see 100 by the time I get back, then I need you to kind of take one for the team and carry, okay? I will be right back. I want 100, please and thank you. Not I want. Please, can you please do that for me? Engage the algorithms. I'll be back, guys. And like the stream if you haven't done so already. I'll be right back.
Still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Trying to get me framed for me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You follow me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there. I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining. What I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more screaming in silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone, or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me.
I have returned. Hey, I need to buy a mat, man, for this freaking treadmill. All right, how many roller coasters do we got here? Let's see. Dumb City, baby, with Friday, with being Friday, I expect some profit taken. I hope, man. I hope so. Solana's being stubborn. Stubborn to the upside or stubborn to the downside? Because we called this short. Look at that. Bang. What is that Solana trade at right now? 67%. And remember, guys. Remember. Don't say I didn't tell you. This could be a swing short. Could be. I'm going to keep you guys updated in the Discord as I do. So make sure you join. The link is in the description down below. But let's see. Slowest dump ever. Bro, dump it. Dump it all. Listen, every single person that made money, not every single person. Do you guys understand how much money retail you thought I fell? No, so you know what happens is the part that you walk on is like moving to the left. So I don't have a mat under it. I'm just on carpet, and the carpet has like fuzzies, and so like it's rubbing on it, and then it's like kind of shifting it. So I'm like trying to kick it back in place, basically. Anyways. Don't say I didn't tell you this. This couldn't be a swing trade. That's where I was getting at. I was thinking, I'm like, what am I trying to say? Do not tell me that I didn't tell you. Because if we're at 34K at any point next week and I see anybody ask what caused this dump, I am going to like irk inside. I'm going to like implode. Because this is all I've been talking about. None of this move has been warranted. None of this move made sense. Every single divergence has been not diverging. Right? The divs ain't diving. So, am I saying we're at the top right now and we're going down to 34K from here? No. But we can be, right? We build the narrative. We know that we're looking for higher highs, higher lows, whatever. Why is bro acting zesty? I gotta be super honest with you, bro. I don't even know what that means. I have literally no idea what that means. Where did I put my stop? I'm kind of monitoring it right now because we can come back up and take the high again. The high being here, I mean, right? We can, but I'm monitoring it. When we getting a desk set up, I'll show you guys after stream. I'll send it to you in the Discord. Giant head and shoulders on the Bitcoin price right now. And actually, if we look across, look, we got another one right there. We got another one. Oh, ETH is showing a giant head and shoulders as well. Yesterday was liquidated by Nasty Wicks, recovering from it. Man, listen, guys, it's not uncommon whenever you have a giant wick. Let's talk about the doggy coin. Let's do the doggy. It's not uncommon when you have a giant liquidation candle like this, right? Like a giant liquidation candle to eventually come back down and make our way to it. By the way, guys, if you were part of my VIP Discord for free that you could join, you would have exactly had this Doge long. I didn't take it, but you know, perhaps some of you guys did. Nah, man, I don't know. Zesty is like not a word that I say. I mean, yeah, I'm not very familiar with the word zesty, if I'm being honest with you. Oh my god, I'm still on the screen. Why do I do that every single time? I'll call drop to Friday low. Where's Friday low? Like last Friday low? Man, I'm calling 34K. Calling 34K. And I'm hoping, man, I'm praying for 34K because enough is enough. Retail been making money, bro. Retail been longing. Retail been giving free money. It's time to wipe them all. And guys, look at this. And don't say I didn't tell you. Okay? Let's come to a clean chart. Look at this, right? Let's look at this. Don't mind this. I'm so artsy, I know. Arts and crafts up in here. All right. Okay. Watch. Two-hour time frame. Okay. Actually, no. 10-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame. We have liquidity here, right? You guys know I don't draw trend lines. I draw liquidity lines, okay? We got liquidity lines here. This liquidity line on the 10-minute time frame resulted in a 6% move to the downside. Okay? 6% move to the downside on this 15-minute, 10-minute liquidity line. 6% move to the downside. And it was our first break of structure to the downside. First one in the last 3 weeks, okay? 2-hour time frame now. So remember what I just drew on the 10. 2-hour time frame. Okay? That liquidity, the 10-minute liquidity that resulted in a 6% move to the downside, didn't even take the lowest 1-hour low. Okay? So we had a 6% move to the downside, and we still haven't taken mid time frame, let alone high time frame, mid time frame, like a mid time frame low. We still haven't taken it, and we had a 6% move to the downside. So what do you guys think is going to happen when, not if, when Bitcoin decides to come and make a run for all of this liquidity? Guys, we've talked about this range in like so long. Okay, we've talked about this range for so long. We've talked about how it's not normal for this to happen. It's not common. It's a very strange range, okay? What do you think happens when now they come for this liquidity? Right? Because that's liquidity. What do you think happens when they come for this liquidity? When they come for these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows? What do you think happens? We can make our way down to 33K, the low of the range. Remember, this is a range, right? This was our range. You know, we deviated it 4,000 times to the upside. Didn't test any of the lows ever, right? So, yeah. Look, if we lose 35,103, which I know is $2,000 away, but we have to look at higher term time frame market structure. We can't just look locally. If we lose, excuse me, if we lose this, man, if we close below 35.1, in my opinion, we're coming down to 33. Now that's high time frame stuff, guys. You know, we build a narrative both ways. So yes, this could be a swing short, but we don't know until we start to get to these levels. Right? We don't know until we get to these levels. And so if we start to lose 35.1, that's where, okay, we could say, all right, maybe we're coming down significantly lower. But 1 hour market structure is still objectively bullish, right? We have low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And so what happens now, we don't know. Actually, this higher low is not even confirmed yet. So 1 hour market structure is just like this, right? Everything else is internal. Everything else is internal. But if we start to close below 35.1, man, we're coming down to the low of the range. We're coming down to here. We're coming to grab this wick, in my opinion. So we got to play both sides, right? We got to be objective. Doesn't mean short right now and take profit at 33, because we could come up and take the high again. Remember, we got vectors above us. We got cheat sheet entries on the 1 hour. I'm saying it could be, not it is. We have the divs. Are they going to play out? That is the question. All right. Do I trade the Asian session? I trade 24/7, man. Retail got the whole boatload this last month. Yep, I agree. VIP code. Okay, guys, so the last time I'm going to tell you the VIP code, because we've been streaming for 2 hours now, and we're going to hop off stream soon. So the VIP code is 7348. Okay, 7348. Shouts out to Disploit here, who boosted the server twice. Thank you, I appreciate that, and welcome to all the newcomers. Welcome to all the newcomers. So let's see, man. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. We are just technically putting in a higher low potentially. We'll see. We will see. We got to keep our eye on market structure, right? We only really broke We only technically broke 1 minute market structure. Actually, technically, we didn't even break 1 minute market structure yet. So for me to say that this might be a swing trade is a little bit ambitious. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I am aware of the level, right? I'm aware that we are in strong resistance right now. Right? We are in strong resistance. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. And we just follow market structure. So really, you know, 5 minute structure is low, high, higher, low, higher, high, technically. Right? Technically, that is your structure. So technically, we got to break below here. Although I will be convinced if we break below here. So if you guys want to mark it in your charts, 36,970 and 36,850. And until then, the truth is there's no need to get overly bearish. Although, if Market Cipher actually plays out, it's speaking to us, man. Market Cipher's talking to us. Let's see what it says. Let's see if it actually listens. Or remember, resistance changed now to 35K. You mean support? All right, guys, we got 89 likes. We got 73 people in here, which is great. If somebody has not liked the video, I will ask you, please, now is the time before I go. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. I need 11 more. If you hit it, thank you. If you didn't hit it, please hit it. And if you do, thank you again. Tino said CME is trading Bitcoin more than Binance. Oh man, my legs. Yes, we are dumping. Man, it's crazy that we hit the trade at the beginning of the stream, and that was 2 hours ago. So we're losing the range, man. We're losing the range. Y'all know my narrative. You guys know my narrative. Are these vector candles? Let's see. Okay, so this, we got a red vector coming into the 50 EMA. Let's check the one. What's the one saying right now? One, we're below the EMA. And the one is giving us expansion vectors. So the 1 minute is giving us expansion vectors. The 5 minute is giving us a, just a retracement vector, right? Just a retracement vector. So we'll see what happens here. We're probably going to lag around here for a little bit. Eventually come back up to recover it. We did just print another order block right over here. Not the strongest order block though, but nonetheless it is an order block. So, you know, I could see maybe coming back up now $100 or so. That's if if this red vector cares. We'll see, man. We'll see. Probably gonna recover half of it. Part of it. But the 1 minute is like, nah, man, these are expansion vectors. Yo, is this the real or fake pump? I'm kind of hoping that it's going to be my swing short. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm targeting 34K. And then, depending on how it goes, in which Discord channels is the GeoBot? Let me show you. GeoBot's up here. It's in all the channels. Put it in all the channels. But you can't send the bot the code yet. I gotta purge you guys still. Here, let me purge you guys now. What did we say? Okay, guys, this is the last time I say the code. 7348. 7348. Thank you, Cleo. I appreciate that. 7348 is your code. Last time I say it. Don't do it yet. Okay, go ahead and send the code to VIP. Or go ahead and send, you can DM the bot now. Yeah, I'll do this later. You guys are not going to be able to see all the channels yet. I'll do it after stream. What are expansion vectors? Okay, so come over to my channel. After this stream, come over to my channel. Okay, come over to my channel and come to my videos. And these two vector candle videos, this one, take care, brother. Okay, so that's one. And that's two. Go watch these two videos. Go watch those two videos. All right, so the 1 minute is now coming back up into, right, we are retracing. Let's see what happens. No, don't DM the code in the chat. You have to DM my bot. Don't put the code in the chat. Come over here at the top right and send the bot the code up here. Guys, 3 more likes. Can we get 3 more likes? If you have not hit the like button yet, please hit the like button for me, so I can keep giving you guys these fire trades for free. Two more likes, baby. 2 more likes. Sorry for what, bro? What are you sorry for? Oh, for the thing? No, don't worry, bro. It's all good. It's all good. Green vector still under the 50 close, so still down. Yeah, so the 1 hour, right? 1 hour time frame. Man, my computer is getting laggy. I gotta get off soon. But the 1 hour, right? We have the expansion vectors, and we just recovered the expansion vectors, which we expect, right? Now we're gonna fight the 5 VMA. Right? I even said, I'm like, we're gonna recover 50% of this and then continue down perhaps. Because the 1 hour is giving us expansion vectors. Or 1 minute, sorry. 1 minute is giving us expansion vectors. So perhaps now, if we don't reclaim the 50 EMA, down we go. Right? Down we go. We don't need this range anymore. What are these lines? Is this a fib? We don't need this fib anymore. We gotta play clean up a little bit over here. Please send Solana down. I agree, man. I'm ready for Sol to go down. The market will do what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin goes down, then the market will go down. Man, AMC is taking a beating. Wow. Hard times, man. I have AMC, so that's very sad. Very sad for AMC. Man, the divs, bro. Look at the 24, guys. Like, if these divs don't play out, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I think they will, though. I think they will. I think the whole market's gonna pull back. Do I think we can reach 38K today? No. No. I think we can reach 36K today. A 38, I think, is a little bit ambitious. I don't think we're clearing this order block, guys. If I'm being honest with you. Like, I think the absolute highest that we see today is 37.6. I could be wrong. But, again, we are due for a pullback. In my opinion. Could be wrong. Right? Bitcoin might just do what Bitcoin's been doing and say, screw all your divs, Geo, I hate you. And then just out of nowhere go, boom. 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 Right? It's definitely possible. All right, how many likes, guys? 103 likes. Thank you guys for 100 likes. I appreciate you. Guys, that was kind of bittersweet. I'm going to be honest with you. Because now I'm happy that I got 100 likes. But now that I got 100 likes, I think it is time for me to go. How are we feeling about that? I think the chat's a little bit dead. You know, Gio's been walking for 2.5 hours. How does Sol keep going up? Let's look at Sol. Yeah, Sol might come for the high again, actually. It will follow Bitcoin, man. We just gotta watch Bitcoin. Literally just watch Bitcoin. One sec. $37.8. I don't know, man. Like I said, I think that's a little bit ambitious. How many steps? Well, I turned it off halfway. Right now, I've walked 5.5 kilometers on this. Okay, so I burned 355 calories. But this was restarted an hour and 20 minutes ago, and I've been streaming for 2 hours. So I burned about maybe 500 calories. You took the short from the 1 hour golden nugget. Let's check our 1 hour golden nugget. Man, my computer's so laggy. Yo, I gotta get off soon. I gotta get off really soon. My computer's like about to commit, if you know what I'm saying. All right. Let's check the 1 hour golden nugget real quick. If you guys don't know what a golden nugget is, you will know soon. Take care, King D. King, take care. I wouldn't technically, okay. I've added additional rules to the golden nugget, and so I wouldn't necessarily call this a golden nugget right now. But we definitely do have the divergence for sure. For sure. Do I feel fatigue or does it feel okay? Honest to God, bro, I'm gonna tell you how it is for me. I'm gonna be very, very honest with you, okay? Very honest. You just consume 500 calories? Look, I have ADD, okay? So I want to, like, when I'm working, I need to fidget. I need to move around. I need to, like, I just can't sit still, right? And so because I have ADD, I don't now I don't need to get off like working because I feel like I'm moving, right? And me walking makes me forget that I'm working, and me working makes me forget that I'm walking. So for me, it's a double whammy. And for me, man, it's the best investment I think that I've made. Truly, I love this thing. Time goes by so fast, bro. I've been walking this whole time. It's been 2.5 hours. Been 2.5 hours, and I haven't even noticed that I've been walking. Dude, I added rules to the nugget. Yeah, man, I added rules. Okay, let me explain the rules. I mean, guys, I gotta keep some secrets, man. Now, I'll explain the rules. A nugget, the golden nugget, is not just a divergence on the VWAP, okay? It's not just, that's part one. That's rule number one. But the golden nugget is, okay, I've created new terms for the waves as well, okay? The golden nugget needs to front run a significant wave. What do I consider a significant wave? Either a wave that is really high up, like here, like this wave, right? Or I guess an anchor wave. Actually, yeah, that's a better terminology. So the only significant waves are anchor waves, right? Above or below a decent number, like 75, minus 75. So anchor waves, or divergence waves. And so right now, because this wave, yes, this is a gold, we have the VWAP divergence, but this wave I do not consider a significant wave because A, it is not an anchor wave, and B, it is not a divergence wave, right? And the divergences can work with hidden divergences as well, which this also isn't. So if price was up here, then this could be potentially a divergence, which means now it's considered a golden nugget. But it's only a golden nugget if you're front running a significant wave, and the only significant waves, in my opinion, or not in my opinion, but what I have like added labels to, are divergences or anchor waves. Where did I go wrong? Okay, guys, this is gonna be it, man. I gotta go. My feet hurt. I gotta eat. I gotta hit the gym. I'll keep you guys updated. Remember, this clown been waiting for Bitcoin to go down for like a week. Maybe eventually he'll be right. Broken clock kind of stuff. Hey, man. Listen, bro, one day it will happen. And I'm not gonna sit here and say I was right when it does happen, but I mean, I will be right. I will be right, for sure. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. I'll make a video on it. 6-pack incoming. Yes, sir. Top 1% or bust. All right, Solana's taking the high again. Could give us a clue that Bitcoin might give us the flavor, as Tino would say. Once again, we are getting the bull divs on the one. Right, we are getting the bull divs here on the one. So, you know, let's see what happens now when we get accepted back into this range. Right, we're at the value area low. Let's see what happens. Thank you for all that you do. No worries, bro. I appreciate you for being here and kicking it with me every day. Where did I go wrong? All right, guys, listen, I'm gonna head out. Yeah, guys, have a good weekend. Listen, real quick before I go. Last thing before I go. Remember, this could, not is, could be a swing short. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and sound like a fool by saying it could be a swing short prior to getting any higher term time frame market structure flips. No. Technically speaking, everything between the high and this wick that we put in yesterday at 35.5, technically all of that is internal. Okay, so this to this is internal. For us to be confident with our swing shorts, we have to start losing this level. Okay, we got to start losing that level. Very important to note. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. Higher term time frames are bullish AF. I can't deny it. So again, I'm not saying this is the swing short, but I'm saying it technically could be, before homeboy wants to come back and call me a clown again. All right, cool. Unless BTC pumps with RSI in the next 2 hours, there's also a bear div. Bro, listen, there are bear divs everywhere. It's just a matter of, does Bitcoin want to ignore them or not, right? And I mean, this is not so different than here, where we had bear divs. Like here, look at this, man. I remember this vividly. I'm like, yo, we're getting such big bear divs in this range. And then boom, we went high again. And then more bear divs, more. Like this year, Bitcoin has just been ignoring your bear divs. You know, just all year long. This whole thing is a bear div, man. Right, look how thick money flow was. And this is a divergence, boom, higher. This is divergence, boom, higher. Now money flow is super thick, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this, like, the daily time frame is, like, it's scary how bullish it is, right? So, again, not saying this is the swing short, but it could be. I'll say we won't lose 34 to 35 till 2027. Oof. I strongly disagree with that, but hey, man, if it happens, I'm cool with it. I'm long, I'm short. But I don't think the bull market is here, personally. I think we're going to come back to like 20K. I think what's going to happen is we're going to go however high. We could even go up to like 50K, right? And then I think that down we go, because I don't think this is a bull market. I think this is a bear market rally. So I think maybe 50K, maybe 55K, maybe even 60K. But I don't think we take the high. I think we go up, up, up. Everybody's like bull market, bull market, bull market, long, long, long. And then I think we make our way back down. I think we wipe all the low, all the liquidities. And then I think at this point right here is where the bull market begins. 19, 20K, 21K. That's what I believe. But we'll see, man. That's way too far out right now. Way too far to tell. Guys, one last time, if you haven't hit the like button already, please do me a favor. Hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Join the Discord. Link is in the description down below. If you're looking for an exchange, to trade on, Mexi is the cheapest on fees, 0.00%. Maker fee, 0.01% taker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's basically free. And that's all I got to show for y'all, guys. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, Girl Scout. And watch the intro. As always, guys, take care. Have a good weekend. I'll see y'all later.
Set my